Welcome to the workshop at the Concord Free Public Library. My name is Christy, and I'm here today to show you how to safely operate the workshop's heat gun. Let's start with the safety notes. This tool reaches a max temperature of 500 degrees Fahrenheit, so it should be turned off immediately whenever it isn't actively being used, and it should never be pointed at people or flammable objects. In case of fire or injury, immediately call 911 and notify staff. A fire extinguisher and first aid kit are also available at the workshop's front desk in case of an emergency. Okay, let's get making. This tool uses a rechargeable battery system, so along with the tool itself, you'll receive a rechargeable battery and an adapter. To assemble the power hub, just slide the adapter onto your battery until you hear a click. Now you can plug the heat gun into the power hub by connecting the cable to the socket at the base of the tool. When you're ready to start making, press the power button on top of the power hub. Be sure to turn the power off whenever you aren't actively using the heat gun, and rest the tool on its kickstand to keep the hot element up off your work surface. When you're finished using the heat gun, turn the power hub off, disconnect the tool, let it cool, and press the release button on the battery to separate it from the adapter before returning it to staff. Congratulations, you're now a trained maker. If you want to learn more about everything our heat gun can do, you can find the complete manual on our website at cfpl.info/heatgunmanual, or visit works.com for more information and tutorials direct from the manufacturer. The workshop is made possible by the generous support of the Concord Free Public Library Corporation, a nonprofit organization supported by makers like you. Learn more about all the corporation does to make our library awesome and how you can help at cfpl.info. And if you just can't get enough making, be sure to check out the workshop's full library of maker tools and upcoming classes and events at cfpl.info/workshop. Bye-bye.